Why we created Inspired by Math, a journey that began with one question. It all started with a simple message from my dear friend Somu. Hi Anil, have you ever heard of the Tatre Kaprekars constant? That one question opened a door. I paused, curious. I have heard of Kaprekars, but not this mysterious constant. So I explored, and then Somu said something I'll never forget. Numbers feel truly magical, like there is an order below all the disorders. That line stuck with me because it's what math really is, a hidden order, a quiet pattern waiting to be found. I shared the story with my students in grade 3 and grade 5. They were hooked. They didn't just listen, they asked more. That was the beginning of this book, a journey into math, not just as answers, but as stories, not just as rules, but as ways to see the world. These legendary minds didn't want us to memorize formulas, they wanted us to think, to notice, to ask, to find the patterns underneath the surface. And the best way to honor their vision is to keep the journey going, to keep thinking, noticing, and wondering, one brilliant mind at a time. This is just the beginning. Each edition will introduce 10 more minds and 10 more ways to awaken wonder. Join us in this journey of curiosity, creativity, and connection. Let's discover what these mathematicians truly wanted us to feel. Numbers feel truly magical, like there is an order below all the disorders. It began with a friend's curiosity, led to a spark in my students, and now this book. From being inspired to inspired by math, may it inspire you in your own journey of success.